Oh, is it on? Is it on? Is it on? Is it on?
It should be now.
That's why I had the Bluetooth
Little
watch.
timers going on the little
So I
screen.
could always just...
Blinking red. That's a good sign.
Yeah?
Right?
Okay, cool. Blinking red. We're good.
We need to get a protective lens for that.
It is. That is the protective lens.
You guys ready?
Ooh, laser.
Just blind someone.
Turn off, turn off, oh my god.
Are we going?
My laser's not on, right? My laser.
Yeah, I sold my fucking sport bike,
There he is.
my katana, because I was gonna kill myself.
Yep!
We're gonna go this way and start shooting at them.
Never sell.
Here we go.
2, 1. I'm going to go. Push up nail.
Oh. Hey. Back to spawn, back to spawn, back to spawn. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, that's.
Gotcha, boy! Sorry, man.
No, I'll get.
Oh, let's push back. Get that one at the bottom, and then loop up.
Okay.
You put some bullets on them for a sec. Okay, second flag up.
Which way you going?
Like get behind cover.
Up and around?
It's straight up. Up and around is poor. Their spawn is other side of the hill.
Over?
So straight up and over. Tower, tower, tower. Watch out, top of tower. Top of tower, top of tower. Back a tower. Eric, the flag's on those two trees right in front of you at the pallets. straight in front.
Yeah, I've got 12 o'clock in the shower. Let's push.
Hit! Hit! Good shot!